Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to see this assignment friction plate. Now I will look from where we have to start this assignment. So you can see here there are 1, 2 and 3 circles are given of diameter 50, 122 and 154. So I need to make first 3 circles of this respective diameter, then later on I will make this portion, and after that I will make this remaining part of this assignment. Okay, let's move for the AutoCAD page. Okay, from here we will open our mechanical template. Now what I will do, I will make the grid mode off, dynamic input on, ortho on, object snap on. From here I will activate the line type and I will select the line type as to 0.30 mm so as to my assignment to look somewhat thicker. Okay, first I will activate the circle command which is present in the ribbon area of draw panel. In the here I simply by clicking it I will activate the circle command. Okay, now here asking me to specify the center for point of the circle. I will click here. Now you can see here the radius is showing us the value in the blue is indicating me the radius of the circle. I need to put the diameter. I will press from keyboard D for diameter, enter. Now you can see that the value in the blue is showing me the diameter of the circle. Simply I type 50, enter. To repeat the command I will press the space bar. Okay, from this center I will click and now D for diameter and the diameter 122, enter. Okay, I will repeat this space. From this center I need to draw another circle. Okay, from the center of D for diameter, D, enter, 154, enter. Okay, so this 3 circles has been drawn. Now next move to the next part of the assignment. Now look at this. Okay, how you make this part, that is important. Okay, I will show you the 2 ways by which you can make this part. Okay, you which method you find convenient, make that way. Okay, first I will activate the line command, L for line, enter. Okay, now from the center point I will draw a straight vertical line. Okay, I click on and now I will press the escape button to exit the line command. What I will do here, I will select this line. From modify toolbar I will take the rotate command. Now I will give the base point as the center. Now from here I will click on copy. To go in clockwise direction I need to add positive 15, enter. Okay, now similarly again what I will do here, I will click this and I will rotate. I will give the, now you look at that this point. Okay, center point. Now from here again copy, I need to go in clockwise direction here, so I will give minus 15 in AutoCAD, and minus negative sign indicates the clockwise and positive indicates the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so you can change in the dimension style which can be which way you want. Okay, but by default there is a clockwise minus and anti-clockwise positive. Okay, so we have made these two. Then now you can see that I will show you the, from here you can make the angle, this one here, measure this and this. So now you can see there is exact 30 degrees. Okay, this is the one way of making. I will show you the another way. First I will delete this. Now what I will do here, again I will take the line command, L for line, enter. Now from the center point what I will do here, I will make the straight line. Now you can see here line means in the blue value showing here with the length of the line, and you can see that my as my ortho on, the angle is showing is 0 degree or 90 degree. Means what, I can draw only horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, to make the angle what I will do here, I will first move the cursor up to here. If whatever in which how much length you want, you can move your cursor up to here. What I will do here, I will press the tab. If I press the tab, now you can see the length of the line is fixed. Now me showing me the angle. So what I will put here, direct 115, enter. So now you can see that I have made a inclined line. Okay, similarly what I will do, I will repeat the command by pressing the space bar. From this end point I will draw another line. Now what I will do, again press the tab button. Now I will give minus 1515, enter. Okay, similarly I will press the escape button to come away. If you measure the angle here, okay, from this line to, now you can see again is 30 degrees. So it is the simple easy way, so you can find any way. Okay, now what I will do, I will trim TR, double, enter. So I will erase this part, this part, this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, now what I will do here, I will press escape button to exit the command. Now I will select these two. In the modify toolbar there is a array, polar array. Here I will click on I'll select the polar array. Now I will give the center point. Now you can see it is a polar to up to 6 items, but I need only 4. You can see in the, as there are only 4 items are there, 1 2 3 4. What I will do here, I will change the item from 6 to 4 and press enter. So now you can see that it is gone polar. Now what I will do, tr double enter. I will trim this and this and this. Okay, so now this portion is completed. Now next move to next part of the assignment. So I will make here this 2 circles. So first I need to locate the center. So the dimension of this center is given from this line. Okay, so similarly how I have made this one, I will make similar this one also. First I will draw a vertical line, then I will rotate this line to 30 degrees and from here to 60 degrees. Okay, so now at the point of intersection I will make these 2 circles. Okay, after this completion of these 2 circles, what I will do, again I will polar array it. So I will get this remaining part. So now let's move to the here. Now I will take the line command, L for line, enter. From this quadrant I will draw a straight line. Okay, from the quadrant I am drawing straight vertical line. Now I will press escape button. Now I will first, what I will do, I will select this and then rotate. I will give the center. Now look at, if the center is not showing, for example the center is not showing, just what you do, make the cursor here and type center, CEN, enter, and press this circle, click on this circle. So now it is taking the center point of the circle. Okay, now I will click here on copy. Now I have to give the angle. So what angle I have to go in clockwise direction, so I will give -33.0, enter. So now you can see here it is rotated in clockwise direction here to 30 degrees. Okay, similarly what I will do, I will select this line and what I will do, I will rotate. Now what I will press the center button, CE and center, enter. I will give this, I will click on this circle, so it will take the center part. Okay, now for again from here I will click on copy. Now -66.0, enter. Okay, so now it is here. Now what I will do here, from this point of intersection I need to draw 2 circles. Okay, of diameter, how much? Diameter 12. So now C for circle, C, enter. Now this in point of intersection I will draw is D for diameter, 1 2, enter. Similarly space, point of intersection I will draw a D, enter, 1 2, enter. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this, all these 2 circles. Again I will go for polar array. Okay, now what I will do is center, CE and center, enter. I will click on this circle. Okay, now from here again I will select this item to 4, enter. Okay, and escape button. So now you can see here this 4. Okay, this has been completed. Now next move to next part. This portion is completed. Now this part I have to make. Okay, so now look at this, it is the height of this is given as 6 and here to here this distance is given as 12. Okay, let's make this part. Okay, then what we will do, we will array it, then we will rotate this to 45 degrees. Now let's do it. What I will do here, first I will delete this line. Okay, I will delete it. What I will do here, from here I will draw a line. Shortcut for line is L, enter. From this quadrant point I will draw a straight vertical line. Okay, of how much distance? 6, enter. Okay, now I will, the horizontal distance is given as 12, 1 2, enter. Now again I will press the escape button. What I will do here, I will select this, I will click on middle grip and press on here. Okay, now what I will do, again I will take the line command, L, enter. Now from here end point I will draw a straight vertical line here, escape, space bar to repeat the command. Now from this end point I will draw a straight vertical line here and escape to return. Now what I will do, again repeat the command by pressing space bar. From this end point I will draw a straight horizontal line and escape. Now what I will do, I will select all this. Okay, Now I will move here. Move command is there in modify toolbar. I click on move. Okay, now here from here this intersection point I will move and put it on the here. Okay, so now what I will do here, trim the command tr double enter. This part I will trim, this part I will trim, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. In this way we have created it. So you can measure the distance here. If I take quick measure here, so if I click, you can see the 12 and 6, perfect. Okay, the height is 6 and the length is 12. In this way we will create this part. Now what I will do here, first I will select this again. After selecting again, I will give the polar array and I will give the center as, okay, the center again I have shown center is not showing, CEN, enter and click on circle. Okay, again I need the item 2, 4, enter. Okay, so again I will put the escape button. So now you can see this is completed, but what is it, but the orientation is different. I need to first trim this part. Okay, I will trim tr double enter, but just I will trim this. Okay, I will escape but the orientation of this is quite different. So what I will do here, you can see and why, because this is rotated 45 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. You can see here the center is rotated 45 degrees to here in anti-clockwise direction. So what do here, first I will select this, then I will go on rotate. Okay, from I will give the center as the point of rotation. Now from here what I will do, I have to give the angle as 45 degrees, 4, 5, enter. So now you can see here it is rotated to 45 degrees. Okay, now next what is remaining here, now I have to give the center mark. Okay, I need to give the center mark, then I need to add the dimensions. Okay, so now let's move to it. So what I will do here, first I will change this line weight by layer. From here I will select a color. You want which color you want, you can select. I will select this color. Now I will trim this tr double enter. Okay, this portion also I will trim. This also no need. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, one, and this one. Okay, so now what I will do here, now I will mark the center mark. So okay, so now we go to annotate. Annotate center mark is there, and I simply click on circle. Okay, I have to this escape button. So what I will do here, I will select this and I type match property MA, enter. So I select this one, and this one, this and okay, after this escape button. So you can see that the portion friction plate has been completed. Now I need to give the dimensions. So I click here. So now I will change the color to this one. Now where is the dimension, here are there. From here I will select the diameter. Now just simply click it, 154. Repeat the command by pressing space, this one, and space, this one. Okay, a space, this one. Okay, I need to show the angle. So from here angular is there. So what I will do, I will click this one and this one. So angle here is 30 degrees. Similarly space from this to this is again 30 degrees. Okay, now what is left, I have to show this dimension. I have deleted that line. Okay, so now what I will do here, again I will select to this line. First I will draw a line, L for L, enter. What I will do, I will click on this center and this point. end point. Okay, escape button. Again I will repeat the command space from this to here. Okay, now what I will do, I will I will select this, match property, MA, enter. Now I will select this and this and escape button. Okay, from here I will select the color back to cyan. Now I will click angle distance. I need to show this one and this one, so angle here is 15. Okay, now from again space from here to here, angle is 30 degrees. Okay, so now I think all the portion has been completed. This is the friction plate. Thank you.